Nothing can't afford another stumble, yet the Nothing phone 4A Pro looks less like a bold comeback and more like a carefully calculated attempt to stop the bleeding. After the backlash surrounding the so-called flagship Nothing Phone 3, one thing is clear: Nothing isn't trying to innovate. It's trying not to embarrass itself again by mildly polishing what already exists. Certification listings confirm a 5,080 mAh battery, which Nothing will almost certainly round up and loudly advertise as 5,100 mAh. Yes, it's technically an upgrade over the 5,000 mAh cell in the Phone 3 Pro, but barely. In 2026, when Chinese competitors are casually shipping phones with 8,000 to even 10,000 mAh batteries, this feels outdated the moment you read the spec sheet. A tweet from Anvin also confirms 50-watt fast charging and an IP65 rating. None of this is bad, but none of it is impressive either. These are safe, expected features, and Nothing's painfully conservative approach is starting to look less like strategy and more like fear in an extremely aggressive mid-range market. Other leaks fill out the rest of the spec list, and again, it's all very predictable. The Phone 4A Pro is expected to run on a Snapdragon 7 series chipset, most likely the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4. It should outperform the 3A Pro, but let's be honest, that bar wasn't particularly high to begin with. The rumored 12 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabytes storage sound decent on paper, but this is quickly becoming standard, not special. The most meaningful upgrade might be the shift to UFS 3.1 storage, finally ditching the painfully slow UFS 2.2 used before. Faster boot times and smoother app launches are nice, but this is more about fixing an old flaw than delivering something exciting. eSIM support is also tipped, again highlighting Nothing's slow catch-up game rather than leadership. On the camera front, Nothing seems stuck in place. The hardware is expected to remain largely unchanged from the Phone 3A Pro. Instead, the company is leaning on improved processing and software tweaks. Considering how aggressively Nothing compared itself to the iPhone during the Nothing Phone 3 Pro launch, expect the same loud marketing cycle again. Whether the real-world results actually justify those claims is a completely different question. Design changes are coming, at least visually. Yogesh Brar reports a global launch by early March, potentially March 5th, with new colors like black, white, pink, and blue. The glyph interface will likely stick around because that's still Nothing's only recognizable identity, but cosmetic refreshes can only go so far. The same report also hints at a price increase, which could be the Phone 4A Pro's biggest problem. At this stage, quirky design and branding aren't enough. Nothing doesn't just need attention anymore. It needs to prove its worth, and right now that's far from guaranteed.